Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to the channel Mathematics by Arif Panjwani. So in today's class, we will solve paper 1 question related to the topic we have done in the previous videos of chapter numbers. So far the topic we have completed now are types of numbers, factors, multiple, SCF, LCM and prime factorization. So in today's class, we will solve the paper 1 question related to the topic we have completed in the previous video. So it's very important to all of you to first go through the videos of types of number, factors, multiple, SCF, LCM, prime factorization. You have to know the basic concept of that topic first, because if you don't have a basic concept, you cannot understand today's video. So that's we have a question. So the first question is, write 36 as a product of prime factor. So we have to write 36, and this question carry 2 marks. Okay, so we have to find 36 as a product of prime factor. So just we need to solve this like this. 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. These all are prime numbers. So we have to write product mean multiplication. So we have to write like this: 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2, because we have 2 2. So we have to write 2 raised to the power 2, and we have 2 3. So we have to write 3 raised to the power 2. I hope you got how to solve this one. Very easy question, I hope. Now, moving toward the next question. It's the same question, but the values change. Write 420 as a product of its prime factor. So we have to write 420 as a prime factor. So 420, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2105. Now it's time for 3, 3 3s are, 3 5s are, 5 7s are, and 7 1s are. So how we can write this? 2 raised to the power 2, because they 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. So that's it. The question is done. The part number A is done, and it's carry 2 marks. Now the important part number B, very important. Given that 1512 is 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 7, find the highest common factor of 420. So we have to find 420 and 1512. So they already solved 1512. They've given us the value. And in part A, we have solved 420. So how we can solve this question? You have to just write 420. Okay. 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Okay. Now we can write like this as well. I can make some simple way. So I have to write 2 multiplied by 2. It will be easier to understand if I write like this without exponent form. Now, and 1512. 1512. We have 2, 2, 2, and then 3, 3, 3, and then 7. Last one is 7. Remember that last one is 7. Okay, now how we can find HCF, highest common? The question is find HCF. So just circle the common part of both the numbers, common factors. Circle the common factors. So the common factors, these are the common. So what we get? We get 2 from here, and 2 from here, and then 3, and then 7. So we just need to multiply, then we get the HCF. The 2 to the 4, 4 3 the, oh sorry, I have written the wrong one. This is 7. So 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 7 the 84. The HCF will be 84. So I hope you understand all the parts of that question. If you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will inshallah answer you as soon as possible. So now moving towards the next question. So this question also same question. Question is, write 308 as a product of its prime factor. Okay, now we have to solve 308 as a prime factor. 308, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 7s are, and 2 7s are. Okay, now 7 11, 7 11s are, and 11 1s are. So we have to write 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. That's it. That's the part number A is done. Now, part B, find the highest common factor HCF of 308 and 66. We already solved 308. So I will write like this: 308. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. Okay. Now I will solve 66. 233. 3 11s are and 11 ones are. So 66 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. So how we can find the common factor? We have to circle the common factor. Common factor is 2 and 11. So we just need to multiply 2 multiplied by 11 is 22. So I hope you get how to solve this one. That's it. The question is solved, done and dusted. Now we have another question. So this question is homework for you because it's same question we have done in this. So try to solve this question by yourself. If you don't get the correct answer or you don't understand how to solve this, you can ask me. I will share the solution. But first try by yourself because it's very important to you to solve some question to go through it, the concept. Now, so this is again the question is repeated. This question is repeated, so we have to solve this one because the left side question is already I told you to do by yourself. Okay, now write 108 as a product of its prime factor. Again, we have to write 108. Remember that these questions of paper 1 is related to the topic we have already done in the previous video. I will share all the link of the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous videos or previous lecture, important lecture, basic concept of that topic, so first watch that video, then watch this video because it's very important to get the concept of every chapter. Now, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So we have got 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3. Okay. Now in this question, we have to find lowest common multiple. So we can find lowest common multiple. We can find using the multiple. We can find by using write the multiple of 108 180. But that's a very long process. So for this, we can use prime factorization to solve this one easily. How we can solve? I will show you. I will write not a lot of space. I have to do something. So I will write like this: 108 comma 180. You can solve if you know any other method. You can solve by this. It's not a compulsory to do a certain method in this questions. Okay, you just need to find the LCM. Okay, so don't worry about it. So 2, I will use 2 5 the 2 4 the 290, 227, 245, 39, 315, 3 3 the 3 5 the 3 1 the and then 5 1 the. So the number we have got by solving this 108 and 180 together. So number we have got is this: 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So what we have to do, we just need to multiply all the numbers to get the LCM of that number. So what the value we got? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 multiplied by 3 will be 108, 108 multiplied by 5 will be 540. So LCM will be 540. So I hope you get how to find LCM. Okay, now very interesting question. So this is a very interesting and very important question. Now, first we need to find the prime factors. So we have to write the prime factor: 216, 2 ones are 208, 2 5s are 54, 227, 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So this is 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3. This will be the answer of the part A. Now part B is very interesting part. Two positive integer are each greater than 25. We have two positive integer. We have two numbers that are greater than 25. their lowest common multiple is 216. This means we have two number which is greater than 25, and the LCM of that number is 216, and the HCF of that number is 18. Okay, the HCF of that number is 18. Find the two integers. So we have to find that two numbers. So we have a trick to find that two numbers. How we can find? I will show you. We already find the 216 LCM. Now we have to do the same thing with the 18. 2 nines are 3 threes are 3 ones are. So I will write like this: 216 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now 18 we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So what we have done, I have to just circle the common factors. So there is a trick to find the two integers. How we can find, I will show you. Make a circle like this. The center part is a common. For example, this is 216 LCM and this is 18. For example, the common part of both the numbers, the common parts are, you can see I have circled the common part 2, 3 and 3. So I will write common value here 2, 3, 3. 2, 3 and 3. So you can see there is a remaining value as well. You can see these 2's are remaining and the 1, 3 is remaining. The first value is 2. So you have to write the first two values here. 2 multiplied by 2 and the last one is 3. So you have to write in the second circle. Okay. Now, how can we find the two integers? Listen to me carefully. The first integer, the centered values are 2, 3 and 3. So you have to multiply that number. 2 3 is a 6, 6 3 is a 18. 18 multiplied by dash. Second integer 18 multiplied by dash. So the first remainder values are 2 and 2. So you have to write 2 multiplied by 2. 18 to the 36, 36 to the 72. This means first integer is 72 and second remaining value is 3. So you have to write 3. 18 ones are 18. 18 threes are 54. So the second integer is 54. So simple. The answer, the two integers are 72 and 54. I hope you get the concept or the trick how to find the two integer of that question. Okay, now this is the last question. So we have to solve this one. So from this you can get how which type of questions come in your paper. This can help you. You don't need to solve any past paper because this will help you, but this types of question come in your paper, inshallah, in paper 1. So the basic concept of the topic should be very strong. Okay, now from the number above write down. So we have to write the factor of 70. What are the factor of 70? So how we can find the factor of 70? We just need to divide the number. 70 divided by 15 is not possible. 70 divided by 125, it will not divisible completely. 70 divided by root 80, not divisible. 70 divided by 11, not divisible. Now remember that 25 is the root 25 is equal to 5 because 25 is a square of 5. So we can write like this as well. So this means 70 divided by root 25, or I can write like this 70 divided by 5 as well. So it is divisible. Okay, 70 divided by 5 will be 14. So this means root 25 is a factor of 70, and we have to check these two number as well. 70 divided by 14 is 5. This means 14 is also the factor of 70 and 60 is not a factor of 70. So the answer of the first part is root 25 comma 14. Now we have to write the cube of the number. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will learn about the cube, square root, all the things. So the cube of the number is 125. The clear answer is 125 because 125 is the cube of 5. So the answer is 125. an irrational number. So we all know that what are irrational number. Irrational number are those number which we cannot write in fraction form. So we have to check which number we cannot write fraction form. These two are the value that are in root. But as I told you, root 25 is equal to 5 because 25 is the square of 5. So this means root 8 is an irrational number. So this is the answer of this question. Now, the last one, write down a prime number between 10 and 15. We have to write the prime number between 10 and 15. I again tell you that first go and watch the previous concept video of all the topic we have done. If you haven't watched that video, this means you cannot understand most of the thing in this video. It's very important to get the concept. Okay. Now, if you haven't watched the previous video, you don't know about prime number, you don't know about irrational number, you don't know about factors. So you will be confused in that video. You don't know how to solve this question. Now, prime numbers between 10 and 15. The prime numbers are 10, 15 are 11 and 13. So that's it. So I hope you understand all the question I've solved in this video. If you have any query related to the video or you have any question that you can't solve it, so you can comment me. I will share you the solution or I will make a short video for that. I hope everything is crystal clear. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, next video we will do some other topic.